Mape calculation in Python. I want to calculate mean absolute percentage error, Mape, of predicted and true values. I found a solution from here, but this gives error and shows invalid syntax in the line mask equals is lower than ... is greater than 0. I am using spyder 3. My predicted value is a type np.array and true value is data frame. How do I clear this error and proceed with Mape calculation? Edit.
In Python for compare by not equal need not equal, not is lower than ... So need. Another solution from stats.stack exchange.
Both solutions are not working with 0 values. This is working for me. I hope it helps.
Since the actual values can also be zeros, I am taking the average of the actual values in the denominator, instead of the actual values.
The new version of scikit-learn, version 0.24, has a function that will calculate Mape. sklearn.metrics.mean _ absolute _ percentage _ error. All what you need is two array-like variables, y_true storing the actual / real values, and y_pred storing the predicted values. You can refer to the official documentation here.